up? It's someone. Okay, anyway. Let me fix that right there. No.
Okay, you're going to want to start over.
All right.
No.
So today we're going to be unboxing something. Yes, the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've been wanting this for a long time. It says it's a good vlogging camera, so let's unbox it.
What do you do with this?
That's nothing.
Oh, it doesn't open?
No.
Oh, you gotta take the box off.
Yeah, we gotta go down here.
Oh, here, just pull that blue strip.
Oh, okay. We don't need scissors.
Just try it. Doesn't work, we'll cut it.
I need a little bit of scissors, like here.
Okay.
Nice. And now,
look at that.
there it is.
Wow.
It matches my shirt. So
I can barely see it.
Oh, and it matches the couch. Okay, there we go. All right, so now, hold it. There we go. You open this, and then all the stuff comes out. So be careful. You have the manual. Then you can open this.
Oh, some cool stickers. Look, stickers.
Oh, you have stickers? Oh.
2 of them.
Hey, they copied Apple.
Now everybody wants their own stickers.
And then you come with this. What's this? Oh, is it a mount?
This is a mount. Remember you said there's 2 mounts that come. Kind of a one with a little curve to it, like a handlebar or something. And then another flat mount.
Yeah, but what does it do? How do you